Education is constantly evolving, and the way we teach must keep students engaged and equip them with critical skills that they will need for college, careers, and beyond. In Portsmouth schools, we have developed a private-public partnership with businesses and industry leaders and the Starbase Victory. All 4th, 5th, and 6th grade students attend a 4-day immersion program. What's so unique about all of these programs is that Portsmouth students are exposed to STEM early on. They're building rockets, creating maps, flying drones, creating environmental solutions. When you start early, there's nowhere to go but up. We are committed to taking children as far as we can on their educational journey, and we believe it will lead to lifelong success.
WHRO, owned by 19 school divisions, supported by people like you.